Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Surya Kumar Vishal. In this new video, we are going to see the top 5 apps that I used to improve my productivity in my MacBook. Let me see one by one. Okay guys, my first app is Canva. You may know about Canva. Canva is a poster creating app. I'm using Canva to create my YouTube channel thumbnail, channel art, LinkedIn cover photo, LinkedIn post. I do my lot of creativity work by Canva. You may see in recent days I was updating the Eat That Frog book review and I was creating the book review in Canva. I'm using free version only. It is sufficient for me. Okay, let me see the second app. iMovie. iMovie is a video editing app and it is pre-installed for Apple MacBook users. Okay, what is iMovie? iMovie is basically about video editing. I'm using iMovie to edit my YouTube videos, also LinkedIn videos. It doesn't need any pre-experience in video editing. Even if you are a beginner, you can use iMovie very freely because it can be understandable. If you want to learn iMovie, it will be done within 1 hour because it has attractive titles and catchy backgrounds and transitions. Easily you can add it by dragging it. In upcoming days, I will upload a new video about how to use iMovie very effectively as a beginner. I hope that one will useful for you. The next app is AutoCAD. You know that AutoCAD is basic app for civil engineers. I am using AutoCAD to create my building floor plans like this. Also, I am using it to do the structural drawing work. Not only for that, you can use AutoCAD to create the two-dimensional floor plan, elevations, sectional view, line plan. Even it can be used to create the three-dimensional structure. And these all are some example of my work. Frequently, I am practicing AutoCAD to create three-dimensional structural drawing. Let me see the next app. This Epson software. I have physical printer in my home and I can able to print my 2D floor plans, my study material from my laptop to the printer through the Wi-Fi. Of course, it is a Wi-Fi printer. It can print black and white, also color. So I can able to print both black and white and color. Not only for that purpose, I can use this printer to scan my documents and I can able to upload those documents directly to the drive. Also, this printer will print our photograph. Let me see the next app. Our last app is WhatsApp and Telegram. Basically, these apps are used by the people for communication purpose. Also, I am using for that purpose only. I am using WhatsApp to communicate with my colleagues, college mates and some business peoples also. And I am using Telegram for file sharing purpose because Telegram have the high file sharing speed than WhatsApp. So I'm using Telegram to share my files with my colleagues, and these all our apps are used by me to improve my productivity. I hope this video was useful for you. We will meet on our another new video. Until then, take care. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.